Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a question on one of my videos, how to draw perpendicular lines first. I don't understand the first part. One thing I like, and this started in Corel 2020. I'm using 2022, so if you don't have 2020 or above, this doesn't work. There is a way around that, but not this quick. What I do like about this, I always draw in red hairline, so I don't have to change that to do this. When you have a line, you've got right there. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a dotted line, and we'll make it that one, and we'll make it black, and we'll make it thicker so you can see it. Now, if I want some lines like that, and more of them, I can go right here to the parallel drawing. I'm going to make 7 of them, and I'm going to make each one of them 1/4 of an inch apart and go right here. Well, it didn't change it to 1/4. Let's go back. My number locks was not locked. 1/4 inch apart, and then hit right here, and it drew those same dotted lines 1/4 of an inch apart. And you can change, your distance. Let's back up here and make them 1 inch apart, and we'll make 12 of them. It hit right here, and it drew 12 dotted lines equally throughout the process. I'm hoping that's what he was asking. And you could have any line. We back up because it says from selection when you're doing this. So if we make this thicker and we make it little bitty dash dots, let me zoom in here. So now all you have to do, we've got it set on 1 inch. Let's go back to 0.25 and let's just have 5 of them. And right here, create from selection. And it drew that set of lines. Anyway, I hope that answered this question. Thank you for watching.